Today at Battery Guys Nation, we are installing a battery in a 2014 Hyundai Elantra. Today we have our assistant manager, Dalton. He's installing a battery here for a customer here, local customer at the Battery Guys Corporation here, located here in Florida. And to begin this project, you would need a long extension with a 10mm socket or wrench to take off your negative terminal first. Then you would need a 13mm socket with a long extension to take off the battery bracket that is in between. You see right here, Dalton here, he's trying to get his long extension here. Got it in there now. Right in front of the battery itself, the box itself, there is a bracket that is holding down the battery. So you would need a long extension and a 13mm socket to take off that bolt to get access to this battery. And it's very tight too, so make sure that you loosen the bolt up completely, because if you don't, you won't be able to lift the battery up as well, because you have to really unloose the bolt. You see here, Dalton, he grabs the long extension again, and to loosen up the bolt even more so he can be able to reach his hand down there and get this bracket off. So we went ahead and disconnect the positive terminal as well from the post, and the negative terminal for the post. But you want to disconnect the negative terminal first, which is also known as the ground first. So I was able to get the battery out, and this battery here takes a group size H5. If you need this battery for this car right here, or for any other vehicle you might have at your place or business or your home or whatever, we do offer this same battery that's sold at the National Auto Part chain. But our batteries are the world's best reconditioned battery. You get it shipped directly to your house. Free shipping, come with a set of latex gloves as well too. So by purchasing one of our batteries, you help save the planet. We're purchasing a recycled battery that comes with a 1-year warranty as well. The core price is already included in the price when you go to our website. And likewise, Battery Guys is known as the world's best reconditioned battery, was featured on Bloomberg TV network last year for being the world's best for how to recondition a battery. The technology we use is out of this world. We also have our own in-house formula that we use to recondition these batteries that comes up better than it was when they were originally new. So we show everything here in this channel. If this is your first time visiting Battery Guys with a Z, subscribe to the channel. We do more than just installs here. We show you exactly how we recondition these batteries. We show you the recycling process as well, where we bring in thousands of batteries on a monthly basis and show you truckloads that we recycle every 2 weeks, about approximately 45,000 pounds that we recycle every 2 weeks, which is a semi-truckload of batteries that we go through every single month. We're all about green here and recycling and saving the environment. If we add in great value today, just give us a thumbs up. That helps the algorithm push this video into the YouTube atmosphere to help someone else that is in need, that need to install their battery in a 2014 Hyundai Elantra. Okay, so what we're doing now, we got the battery installed here in the car. So we're gonna go and get that battery bracket here first. Go ahead and get this bracket tightened down. So just turn it counterclockwise until you feel it, the bolt tighten up. And again, you would need a long extension with a 13mm socket to tighten up that bolt here. Then once you get that tight, then get your 10mm socket or wrench, and you're gonna go ahead and tighten up those positive and negative battery posts. So we're putting the negative on first here. This is exactly how you install a battery here in a 2014 Hyundai Elantra. Yeah, it seemed like the customer cable was kind of loose here. So we told the customer that she would need a new cable. A lot of customers have this issue, and so we're gonna give you a tip here on this channel. Thank you for stopping by the channel and taking a visit of seeing how you can install your battery as well. So this is a common thing that happens, that if your battery post does not tighten up, you got like it's loose, you can just tighten the screw up itself, but you still can turn the post left or right. So what is happening is that battery terminal needs to be replaced. But what we do is we can buy you some time. We take a little small piece of metal, Some people you might see have a small little nail they put in between the little battery post and the battery terminal itself. And when you put that in there, stick that in between, right there where you put it, tighten up the screw, right in the middle. You'll feel it tighten it up because you got like something in the middle that's trying to tighten around that metal. With the system manager get backs here, you will see we're gonna put a small piece of metal that's gonna slide right against that grid of the post, the battery post, and the battery terminal itself. See, it's tightened already before he even tried to even tighten up because he put a piece of metal to make it thicker. See, that's what it is. See, though your battery terminal is don't wore out. It's not as thick as it was, so you need to go replace it. So you know, until it give you some time to get till you be able to get one, just use a small nail or any small piece of metal you can break off and stick it right in the middle. So that's a little trick there we gave you here on Battery Guys. Thank you for stopping by the channel. Please like the video, share the video, and subscribe to the channel.